Okay, let's dive in. Today, we're going to unpack this incredible evolution of AI. We're looking at how it went from, a system that just does exactly what you tell it to do.
A simple tool.
Exactly. To something that can learn, that can reason, something that's basically becoming a virtual team member for you.
And that shift is, well, it's massive. We're really analyzing the jump from basic automation, fixed instructions, totally inflexible, to what the sources are calling smart AI.
Smart AI, what does that mean in practice?
It means it's driven by data. It recognizes patterns. It adapts its own behavior. You don't need a human jumping in to rewrite the code every 5 minutes.
And the big turning point, the technological pivot for all of this was machine learning, ML.
That was it.
It seems like that's when we stopped having to program every single rule.
Yeah.
Instead, we started, training them?
We started training them using these huge data sets. The machine basically learns the rules for itself. And that's where we get these powerful new tools.
Right, like the different types of learning.
Exactly. You've got supervised learning, which is, it's like showing an AI a million pictures labeled cat or not cat until it gets it.
Okay, so it learns from examples.
Yep. Then there's unsupervised learning. That's where it finds hidden patterns all on its own without any labels. Think market segmentation. And then the really interesting one is reinforcement learning.
Ah, okay, reinforcement learning. This feels like where the real intelligence, the decision-making, starts to come in.
Absolutely. The easiest way to think about it is like training a digital dog. The AI tries something.
It gets feedback.
Gets immediate feedback. A reward if it did something good, a penalty if it did something bad. It just learns by trying to get more rewards. And that simple loop is why we have things like, incredible product recommendations or fraud detection systems that work in real time.
So bringing this back to our listener, what's the practical impact of this for my job or, say, for my small business?
It's huge. Right now, AI is mostly about supporting human intelligence. It gives us insights, but just way faster and more accurately than we could ever manage alone.
So it's not replacing us, it's augmenting us.
Precisely. We see this intelligent decision-making in really critical fields. In finance, you have AIs predicting market risks, finding investment opportunities almost instantly.
And in healthcare?
In healthcare, it's assisting doctors, helping them with diagnoses, planning treatments based on a patient's entire genetic history. It's incredible.
That speed and scale, that really is the virtual team member idea, isn't it? I mean, think about analyzing a massive spreadsheet. An AI can do that in seconds.
Or helping a developer write and debug code.
Right.
Or for a business owner, providing these incredibly detailed forecasts.
It feels like it democratizes that power.
It does. The sources are really clear on this. These tools are getting cheaper, more accessible. They're a game changer for startups and small businesses. You can scale up, you can cut costs, all without hiring a huge team of data scientists.
Okay, but to keep a balanced view here, it can't all be perfect.
Yeah.
The sources do mention some real challenges.
Of course. Data privacy is a huge one. Security, too. And then there's the big issue of bias in the models.
Because they learn from our data.
Yeah.
And our data has our biases baked in.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which is why there's this growing call for much greater AI literacy, not just for developers, but for everyone in the workforce.
So where does this go next? What's on the immediate horizon?
Well, the sources point to two big things. First is Agentic AI.
Agentic AI.
Yeah, systems that can take a high-level goal, say, launch this product, and then plan and execute the steps independently.
Wow, okay. A project manager AI.
Essentially.
Yeah.
And the other is multimodal AI, an AI that understands everything together, text, voice, images, video, for a much richer sense of context.
So to kind of wrap this all up, it seems AI has moved far beyond being just a tool. It's now a strategic partner.
A partner in growth, a partner in problem solving.
Yeah.
Understanding this is, well, it's essential if you want to stay relevant.
It feels like the future belongs to people who learn to work with AI, not fear it. So maybe the thought to leave everyone with is this. If AI is becoming an agent that manages its own projects, what are the truly essential human skills you need to develop right now so you can effectively lead and collaborate with it tomorrow?